Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial I'll show you simple ways to make your Xfinity Wi-Fi faster, whether you're streaming, gaming or just browsing. Stick with me to the end and you'll learn easy tricks to boost your internet speed at home. Firstly, try moving closer to the modem or router. Wi-Fi signals weaken over distance, especially through walls and floors. By sitting near the modem or router, your device gets a stronger, faster signal. Secondly, try clearing the area around the router. Remove any clutter, large furniture or electronic devices sitting near your router. Keep the router on a clear, open surface, ideally raised off the floor. This reduces signal interference and allows the Wi-Fi signal to spread evenly across your space. Now, try restarting your router and modem. Unplug both devices for power and wait 30 seconds, then plug them back in and allow them to reboot. Do this at least once a month to refresh your connection and clear temporary issues. And finally, try limiting the number of connected devices. Too many devices using your Wi-Fi at once can slow everything down. Disconnect any devices you're not actively using and consider pausing Wi-Fi access for certain devices in your Xfinity app. Fewer devices mean more bandwidth for your main activities. And that's it, guys. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions about the Xfinity speed increasing tips. Thank you for watching and enjoy your faster Wi-Fi.